Welcome back, folks. This is a live trade case study for you. I'm already short this market, just did it short now, 5 lot, okay? And I'm going to be shorting more. I'm going to be adding to my position. I'm looking for a move right back down to the lows. Now, we do have a news announcement coming up at 8:30. So I might be in this trade in the middle of that news announcement, or we might be down here before the news even is announced. That'd be great. So I am going to give myself plenty of flexibility in terms of allowing a wider stop, okay? Because I'm managing my risk by reducing my size. So normally I would trade a 15 lot or a 20 lot, okay? I'm only trading a 5 lot at the moment. So significantly reduced risk just by reducing the size that I'm trading, okay? Now, if I talk about the entry, let me just switch over to a 5-minute chart. This green line is a predetermined target that we have reached, okay? It's a mathematical target, a level that I was expecting the market to get to. We've now reached that. We still could go higher, okay? And that's okay. This here is the last down candle, okay, in this swing low that has made this high. So we have a high, higher high, okay, and when we get down here, then this becomes our bearish breaker, okay. Now I'm anticipating that we're going to have that move down, so I'm already short. Once we get down there, I want to see displacement. So displacement means a move down, maybe large candles with some fair bit of gaps on that move down, push back up into this down candle where I would like to add some more. Okay, that's kind of my trade plan at the moment, and I'm looking to scale off my positions, offset my shorts down here where resides sell stops, okay, down below these lows. That's a swing low there. Okay, so that's kind of my plan. As I said, I have entered early, right? Anticipating we go down through this swing low, which is basically the safe entry. Once we're down there, push back up into that bearish breaker will be our safe entry. I'm already short, okay? And that doesn't mean we can't go higher. We could still go higher. But I'm giving myself a little bit of flexibility, okay, on this trade because we do have some news coming out at 8:30. That's still a bit of time away, okay? I don't think we're going to consolidate at these highs for that long. I think this move will start moving down. And we probably will be down here before that news announces, and the news may give us another opportunity, maybe to trade back up and again back down, okay? So I'm going to go mute now until this move kind of starts moving down in my desired direction. At the moment, we're at all-time highs, okay? So this move up has taken out current daily highs, current weekly highs, last week's high. We're at all-time brand new highs, okay? So we're at deep premium pricing, okay? I like what I see here on the charts. I like the time as well. We're inside that 7 a.m. New York ICT kill zone. So everything here on this chart I like. The only thing I don't like is the elevated risk right now because of the pending news announcement, which also means they may override the algorithm, and therefore some of the rules that I'm expecting to be followed by the algorithm may not hold. So that's the risk that I am accepting, right? And I'm also giving myself permission to be a little bit more flexible on my stop, okay? And managing my risk by significantly reducing my size, okay? Now, it's not a recommendation to trade on these days because of the elevated risk, but that's a level of risk that I am willing to accept, and I'm managing that by reducing my position size. Okay, and we still do have some time before that news is released, but I'm happy to be in trade. Even if we do get that news announcement and I'm inside of this trade, I will still hold until my target objective is met, okay, because I am biased to the downside. That doesn't mean we can't move up, okay, because we still could move up. The news may inject volatility to try and stop out existing short sellers like myself, but I'm giving myself some flexibility to hold on to that position up to a certain level, okay, and obviously I could be completely wrong, right? I could be wrong on my bias, and we could in fact go higher, much higher. Nobody knows, okay, but I do see this move up as manipulation. Okay, this is all prior to the news. This is all prior to the 9:30 US equities market open, and typically, in my experience, move prior to the news is manipulation, okay, to get people on the wrong side. And as I said, this move may be over before the news even begins, okay? So I'm going to go mute now. I'm going to let this play out, and I might come back online if I need to mention a few more things, okay? All right, folks, I am close to $11,000 in profit. We are getting pretty close to the news announcement with about 18 minutes to go, or Yeah, about 18 minutes to go. So I'm going to close this out and then look to re-enter sometime later in the day. Okay, done in front of you. I'll post the journal on Twitter. Hope you have enjoyed this video. I might have a discussion on the entry in more detail in a separate video, but this is what we learn in VIP. We go through these types of setups, okay, the timings, the levels, and the overall setup. I do it every day. I'll show it to you every day. If you want to learn, then join the VIP community. Closing this trade out with close to 11,000 in profit. I did an earlier trade, also journaled, was about 16 or 17,000 in profit. An Asia trade. Obviously, the numbers are related to my own account size. Okay, so don't get too bogged down in the numbers. That's based on my account size, my level of risk and my tolerance. Those results are not typical, but I guarantee that you will learn about price action, just like my VIP students who are making excellent progress, learning exactly the setups that I'm showing you here live. Hope to talk with you in a future video. Link below if you want to join the VIP community.